Waking up to go to Dallas. Everybody moving slow this morning. About to load my car up. Got the first official DCV merch. It's a prototype, so we're working on it. Getting ready to load the car. About to do some wake up calls. What up, man? Nah, yeah, I just called him.
Oh, he ain't answer?
Oh yeah, he answered. Tell my man,
all right.
It's 4 o'clock. I said, yeah, get up, man. It's time to roll.
That's a bet.
What you doing, Max? Where you going? You coming with us? Huh? Why you looking all sad, Max? Max, huh? Actually, you want to roll with the fella.
Hello.
What up, dude?
What up?
Everybody waiting on you, bro. Where you at?
Wait on me.
I'm just messing with you, bro. I'm surprised. All right, let's get this party started on my end. Get this thing loaded. All right, we at our first stop. Waiting on these clowns. Y'all good?
Oh, man.
My boy Kilo straight. He sleep?
Knocked out.
Oh, you knocked out now?
What up, DCD?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
That gas station we went to, one pump was 309. The pump right next to it was 53?
What?
7 foot gas for 353. I think Keith got gas for 309.
I want 36.
Yeah, that's messed up, bro. Hey, I thought you was calling Devin out for your first race.
I tried. He didn't want to go.
Man, that little turbo was getting it.
I said, man, what y'all doing, bro? I said, I ain't about to race in the curve.
No, what happened was I thought he was flashing me the whole time.
Yeah.
Because the thing kept going up and down. So I was like, what's good? And he's like, I wasn't flashing. And then they had that butt all behind us.
Too
Like,
bad you can't zoom in on that badass truck over there. On the cat out swing.
He on
He
swingers.
on swing 22.
Oh.
He was at the last gas station.
Come on, man.
You ain't gonna be able to zoom in on him.
Oh, he turning. I know, Nate, you slipping. See if I can get a video of this. You don't know what you gonna see in Texas. That boy on swingers. On a truck. Only in Texas. Everybody gassed up. We about to roll out. Get back on this road, man. Ooh, this wind blowing.
No, it's a force. That's a force. Oh, that's a force.
It's gonna put a 200 shot of nitrous on and wake it up. Hey, who we waiting on? You. Oh, let's roll. Waiting on me. Let's roll. Whew. Skunk died or something. Man, what you got, bro?
Some Crispitos. They got some Buddha and egg rolls, it looks like.
My stomach ain't don't agree with that early this morning. All right, we're at our second stop, somewhere in the middle of Texas. We had a state trooper trailing us, so we pulled over just we could play it off, but he passed us up, so we good. This boy over here making love to his car. Man, what you got in that box, bro? Check them out. Oh,
Speedo.
man.
You want one?
Oh, no. Oh, no, son.
Oh, yeah.
I eat that, son. We gonna be making a pit stop, bro. Don't do it, D.
hey, you never know. Them hoes might have been there since last night.
Oh, yeah.
He just warmed them hoes up in the microwave.
Threw them back in the grease.
Oh, yeah. Them hoes been there since last night.
Threw them back in the grease.
They washed that down with that shit. Oh, yeah.
That's gonna turn into a taquito slush. You ready, Key? You good?
Why you look like you just got out of jail?
All right, let's get back on this road. Oh, man.
Hey, you know you don't have no turn signals, no brake lights on the whole left side of your trailer, right?
It works when it wants to work. You know, we gotta bend the rules. We don't break them, we just bend them. Kilo is alive, bro. Kilo is alive. All right, man, go back to sleep.
Boy.
Man. Oh, they got the Raider hats on dicks, huh? Look at that, man. Raider Nation. Man, you ain't about to find a Saints hat in here. We almost there. We're on our 4th stop, I think. 5th stop, maybe. Wake up, bro. Hey. Y'all could be riding in that back seat of that big red truck, sleeping right now. It's Junior's idea. I wanna drive, Dad. I wanna drive.
You good now?
Uh-huh.
You got it out your system?
Oh, Shadow Eyes over here. Look at him.
Baby face.
I know. Saying we still gonna arrive at 11. 2 hours. All right. Devin got them 65 lights on, messing up the picture. All right, we on what? Stop number 20, 27? I think I got a hole in my gas tank. It ain't moving no more. It's good on that side.
You open this and you're just like, like I would never imagine this car.
That bull trying to come out of there, man. I had to tie it down. Devin got these Sesame Street lights on. We are at, okay, what a nice little spot. Middle of nowhere. There we go. Golden State Warriors, Christmas, Pelicans, Golden State Warriors again, Green Bay Packers. Now I'm confused. Man, we're at Buc-ee's. Where we at, y'all? Madisonville. We don't know who owns this car, but whoever it's for, he's making me a proud man to be a vet owner. Man, this thing is gorgeous, man. Look at his seats, bro. Carpet ain't got one rock chip on it. This poor guy parked this car way out the way. We come over here and got it surrounded. Oh, bro, he gonna be kind of heated till he walk around his trailer and see what he parked on side of.
Shit, he might be questioning if his car is still there.
Made it to Dallas. Beautiful out here. Somebody just having a bad morning. They just left it there, Mark. Oh. Oh, no. He ain't the first one, though. Somebody else done tried. That ain't good right there. Hey, look. It's an EcoBoost Cobra. It's a real one.
That's a real one.
It's a real EcoBoost Cobra.
I'm a real boy.
This is my first time seeing an EcoBoost Cobra, man. Can you tell me a little about it? Only one in the world, baby.
Hey man, I ain't got no time for the press right now.
All right. What's up, DCB fam? We over here at Raceway Park in Dallas, Texas. Parking lot getting packed. About to go check out some of these cars they got out here that's on the track tonight. I don't know if y'all can hear me. It's loud out here. Check out what they got out here. Everything out here, really. Trying to find Demonology. I want to check his car out. A whole lot of Mustangs. Man, that's sick. Man, look at that. ITSJUSTA6 just revealed his new car, man. This thing, man.
Just showing y'all a little happening. Cap, get down here, guys.
What y'all think about the Lambo?
I'm seeing one.
First time seeing one?
Yep, in person.
What?
Yeah, the first time seeing it.
Man, it's like a rare species or something.
I think it'd be sick if they made a wing at the Ford car. So kind of like that.
They do, the Performante has.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Well, that's like, that's not an aftermarket.
No, that's it comes with that one. But the,
Behind on my Lambo culture.
no, it's all good.
It has way more experience than I do.
Yeah. And I got an electric impact socket I'm using.
I'm gonna get gapped in a race that doesn't even involve gapping.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
You know what you're doing? Nope.
Okay.
Should I tell him?
So what you gotta do is you gotta take this, you gotta spin in a few circles,
all right.
and then you gotta take this, and you gotta like spin some more circles. And by that time I should win.
Okay, cool.
So wait for the green.
Okay, so take this, and
Take the
then
speeder, take these
take
six
all
out.
these out. Put them in here.
Put them in here.
Okay.
Once you get all 6 bolts in here, actuate this back and forth. You're looking for a quarter turn, just go as fast as you can. It'll stop it for you. Okay?
All right.
Simple. Watch for the green.
Oh, $20 if you win. Hey.
Go.
time I'll beat you in a race, dog.
I know, right?
This is the one time. Okay, that's the one race I'll ever beat you in.
You won it, bro. All right, bro. I'll let you win this time. I gotta be close. Next time.
But next time. Okay, so I do also want to be double sure. Lock this in. My car against whatever car you want. Quarter mile. I want the 8.
All right.
That's it. Is that a bet? I might lose, but I want the 8.
Okay, cool. We'll talk about
You get an 8 mile head start and I might lose.
You got it, bro. You got it.
Before you see these top 2 bulbs come on, that happens when the front tires break the infrared. When they get to the races in down the racetrack and Ronnie Barr gonna get there first. Look at that, 570 and 120.
What you thought about that, bro?
You ever just like, just barely tap the gas and have your wheel speed over like 100? That's weird.
Bruh, the race fuel, like, it burns. It burns. Crying. Golly. What's up, DCB fam? Man, last night was crazy. Man, that was fun, man. I sure appreciate Gavin, man, inviting me and my crew out. Man, we had a blast. I got to meet a lot of you guys, man. That was awesome, man. I had so much fun. I mean, got to meet Demonology. I want to give him a shout out, man, for hollering at me on this. I think he was live last night on either Instagram or YouTube or something. Man, I just can't thank Gavin enough, man, and his crew, the whole 6 Media, man, for inviting me out, man. It was awesome, man. I know one thing. Next time I'm gonna have some tires on the Lambo so I can put it on the track. I was itching last night. I ain't gonna lie. I was itching. Everybody was asking me, man, you gonna run the Lambo? I just, you know, the thing about this car, it launches so hard. I mean, it launches at like 4,500 RPMs, and man, I just didn't want to chance it on these street tires. When I launch it on the street, it'd be all over the place. So, and that's just off the foot brake. So I know with launch control it's gonna be stupid, but I want to give a shout out, man, to SK Tools. Man, speaking of that, man, they gave me a gift last night. I didn't even open it up. See what they gave me. Man, look at that, man. Look, they got my name on it. Let's check it out. See what it is. What? Man, that's what's up. Check that out. Thanks for coming to the Money Shift. Enjoy the SK swag. SK Tools. Man, that's awesome, man. Check that out. Man, they hooked me up. sticker. Man, all right. You know what's crazy? And I'm gonna show y'all when I get back to my house. I broke my 3/8 ratchet. I don't know what kind of socket this is. That's cool. Man, they hooked me up, man. I appreciate that, man. We're gonna do some business, SK. We about to load the car up. I wanted to get on the track last night, but my freaking tires are done on this car. I'm kind of dry riding on the ends. Ugh, that's nasty. Beautiful weather out here. I got the truck over there, ready for the car. Gavin got all his cars parked out here. This thing is nice. Everybody got their favorite. This thing right here is my favorite. Man. And y'all make sure y'all go register online and win this thing. Cause I am. So y'all don't get mad at me if I win and have 2 vets. Ain't nothing wrong with having 2 vets. But look, I gotta go, man. I gotta load this car up. 5.5, 6 hour drive back to Lake Charles, man. I wish we would have came out here for the whole weekend, bro. I mean, we got out here yesterday. Man, I was tired. Look, man, look at that, man. I had my VIP pass, man. Look at that, man. Hey, man, y'all showed me some love. Y'all showed me some love, man. I appreciate that, Gavin. I appreciate everybody at 6 Media, man. Like I said, SK Tools, Demonology, a lot of people that I met last night, man. I really appreciate the love, man. My channel is growing. Gonna be hitting, when we hit 5,000 subscribers, man, I'm gonna do something cool, man. I think I'm gonna maybe do donuts in the Lambo. Something. It's gonna be something. I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do something real cool, put on the channel. Promise y'all that. But like I said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get this car loaded up. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll holler at y'all later.